Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with Susila. Hi viewers, today you are going to learn fruits and nuts part 2. Mango, 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 mamidi. Pomegranate, 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 దానిమ్మ. Sweet sop, రామాఫలం, SWEET, sweet, SOP, sop, sweet shop, రామాఫలం. Banana, 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 అరటి. Coconut, COCO, NUT, nut, coconut, కొబ్బరికాయ. Citron, 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 దబ్బ. Watermelon, WATER, water, MELON, melon, watermelon, పుచ్చకాయ. Date palm, DATE, date, PALM, palm, date palm, palm L is silent children. Date palm, ఈత పండు. In summer these fruits are available. This is very tasty children, you have to taste it. Okay, date palm, ఈత పండు. Guava, GUAVA, గోవా, జామ. Pineapple, PINE, pine, APPLE, apple, pineapple, అనాస. Papaya, PAPA, పాప, YAYA, పాపాయ, బొప్పాయి. Sweet orange, SWEET, sweet, ORANGE, orange, sweet orange. కమలాఫలం, యాపిల్, APPLE, apple. సీమరేగు, actually we know that apple in Telugu and English also apple only, but Telugu meaning is సీమరేగు. Almond, 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 బాదం కాయ. Walnut, 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 అక్రూట్ పండు. Batavin, orange, BATA, bata, VIAN, Batavin, orange, 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 Batavin, orange, బత్తాయి. Custard apple, CUSTARD, custard, APPLE, apple, custard apple. సీతాఫలం. Grapes, 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 ద్రాక్ష. Jackfruit, JACK, jack, FRUIT, fruit, jackfruit, పనస. Children, you have to practice these fruits and nuts with their meanings also, spellings and with their meanings. Okay children? Children, now opposite words. How to practice these opposite words? Ability. Opposite of ability? Disability. ABILITY. Ability. Disability. DIS. Dis. ABILITY. Disability. Artificial, natural. Naturally we have no God given this natural gifts, birds, nature, flowers, fruits. Artificial flowers, natural flowers or artificial flowers. ARTIFICIAL, artificial. Natural, 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 artificial, natural. Bold, timid, BOLD, bold, TIMID, timid, bold, timid. You are all bold people or timid people? You are bold people. Freedom, slavery, FREE, free, DOM, freedom, slavery, 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 freedom, slavery. Comedy, tragedy, COMEDY, comedy, tragedy, 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 comedy, tragedy. Children, how to practice these opposite words with spellings, okay? Children, now we are learning verb forms: present, past, past participle. Sell, sold, sold. SELL, sell. SOLD, sold. SOLD, sold. Sell, sold, sold. Teach, taught, taught. TEACH, teach. TAUGH, taught. TAUGH, taught. Teach, taught, taught. Think, thought, thought. Children, the difference between teach and think. Teach means we are teaching. Teacher is teaching, no. Think. You are thinking something. Ideas. Think, thought. Teach, thought. Think, H is there. Teach, there is no H. Don't be confused, children. THINK, think. THOUGHT, thought. THOUGHT, thought. Think, thought, thought. Tell, told, told. TELL, tell. TOLD, told. TOLD, told. Tell, told, told. Last, last, last. LOSE, last. LOST, last. LOST, last. Last, last, last. Children, you have to practice this present, past and past participle with spellings. Okay? Children, tomorrow I will come with new words. Until then, you keep practicing. Okay? If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you, viewers.